YouTube TV is on the verge of a massive breakdown as Disney-owned channels like ESPN and ABC are about to vanish soon. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Clock is ticking and the streaming fans are searching for alternatives to keep their Disney fix intact. We can call this a showdown as Disney and YouTube TV failed to lock in a new deal before the current one expired on October 30th. Rumors suggest that a skinny bundle might be in the works for sports fans, but don't count on it hitting your screen immediately. Meanwhile, YouTube TV promises a $20 credit if Disney channels disappear, but some viewers aren't waiting. If you want all things Disney now, the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Unlimited bundle is a no-brainer. For just $29.99 a month for the first 12 months, you get Disney Plus with ads, Hulu with ads, and every ESPN network from ESPN2 to SEC Network Plus. After a year, it's $35.99 a month, which is still a steal for the ultimate Disney Plus ESPN combo. And if you prefer a YouTube TV-like experience, Hulu with Live TV has you covered. At $64.99 for the first 3 months, it includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Unlimited, plus unlimited DVR and tons of popular channels. After the promo, the price is $89.99. Or pick DirecTV's genre packs if you want to customize your lineup. Sports lovers can grab the My Sports Pack with ESPN Limited, local ABC, FS1, NBA TV, NFL Network, and more for $59.99 for the first 2 months. Entertainment fans can snag My Entertainment for $29.99 a month, including Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max with ads. So hurry up, Disney fans! Choose your streaming backup before your favorite channels disappear. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.